such a grenade for ya. Throw my hand on a blade. Hey guys, it's your girl Natalia, and I'm back with another video. And I know this is just a weird setup. This is actually at my sister's desk right now. But today I'm gonna be doing a live slime skimmer. So let's get into the video. So first I'm gonna be doing this slime. All of my slimes are the same shade of color. This is because I was like, I'm not gonna make slime. I don't want to make slime. And then when I turned up as a color, I was like, ooh, I really love this color. So this first slime that I made is super glossy. Wait. Whoa. Should I give this slime to her? I mean, like, this is hello, a thick slime. So I'm gonna just DM her and tell her to give me like $200 or so. Cause this is, this is just a good slime. But actually, you know what? You know what? No, I ain't gonna give her this one. But like, I just keep on playing with it because like. So basically, y'all, all of my slimes that I made, I never made a big slime because I don't want to run out of glue. So don't mind the background noises. It's just family business. I promise I'll block out the sounds for y'all. I promise. But anyways, I don't got any colored slimes or anything, but if y'all want me to make them colored, I can, but it'll just cost y'all more money. I'll like send y'all DM. I'll send her some DMs, and I just got a text, and she said that she doesn't care if they're all the same. They're actually all the same size and the same color because I don't want to run out of glue. And if I even do run out of glue, I'll just go buy more, but still. Whoa, that big bubble. So I think I'll keep this one to myself. And yeah, this is the little jar it comes in. Okay, so let's get the next slimes. Okay, so I found this another slime. Sorry, it's wet and sticky. It's super sticky, so she's might not gonna want this. Her name is Alyssa. What's such a pretty name she has? Not prettier than mine though. But I'm in love with this one. As you know, guys, y'all might think this is the same slime, but it's not. But this one is more like stretchier. See, watch. Let's keep on going. Oh no, it's gonna drop. See? More. And it's more glossy. Watch, I'm gonna show y'all the shine. Y'all might think this is just plain white, but it's actually a velvet color. I don't know if y'all can see, but it's actually a velvet color. And this one is just better. But I ain't gonna judge her. But I ain't gonna give her time. She said she wanted a white slime. Okay, let's give her a white slime. So, let's give her a white slime. I'm gonna get back cleaner. I'll find the top later, it's okay. Okay, let me go find that white slime. Okay guys, this is the next one. For some reason, I just got it out of the bag. I got it out. But this is the only white slime I have. I know y'all think that I'm lying that when I say that I don't have different slimes. I'm just using the same one. I am not. When I mean this one is actually white, it's actually white. See? Y'all could actually tell this is white even by the light. See? White slime. This is the only different colored slime I have. So, yeah. And this one actually feels very, very good. I don't know why. You know what? Oh, my goodness. We can cook up more slime. Pick up this meat right there in that spoon. Okay, here it is. It's in this diamond container. It's in this really pretty diamond container. Wow. This one is just so bad. Like, it got all these pretty stars in it. But every time when you touch it, oil just gets on my fingers. See? Look at all that oil. I don't know if y'all can see it, but it got some very pretty stars and glitters on it. See, look, it slips right out of your hand. And if you put it back together, it won't come back together. Unless if you, like, try to force it. But if you force it, it will just be a total mess. Even if I try to stretch it, it just pops into little pieces like this. It'll just rip instantly. So I'll recommend that I'll give her this one. And plus, it's a pretty color anyway. And plus, she's not that good of a queen, so. But I will give her this diamond container. And I'll probably send some good luck charms with her. I'll probably give her these palettes to put in her slime. So I'm gonna just mail it to her right on my computer. Okay. Alyssa. Okay, I'm done. Hope y'all guys enjoyed this video. If you didn't, leave a big thumbs up and comment if you haven't seen one of my videos. And yeah, everybody, Bye. Stay pretty. Oh yeah, and I'm also going to be having a new music title and video.
Feels good, but I know you want to cry.